one and all. My name is Charanyaa and I am from grade 7. Today I am going to tell you about the timeline of internet. So let's see now what we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss about what is internet, when is internet invented, who is the founder of internet, and the timeline of internet speed. So what is internet? Internet is a network that connects all the computers all over the world. Through internet, people can share information and communicate with each other. On January 1st, 1983, internet is invented. Computer scientists Viton Cerf and Bob Kahn are the founders of internet. This is the timeline of speed in internet. We have different generations in speed like 2G, 3G and 4G. 2G is invented in 1991, 3G is invented in 2008, 4G is invented in 2009 and 5G is invented in 2020. Thank you for your valuable time.